Now, our job as parents is to embarrass the hell out of her. What happened? Staying warm. Their outdoor wood boiler.
Hello.
So today we are off to go pick up our new camper. New to us camper anyway. Our old camper flooded, so that's long forgotten at this moment. So our old camper ended up going to an auction site, and we studied this a little bit and decided to bid on another camper we saw on this auction site. And lo and behold, we won it.
Yeah.
They have a lot of other cool stuff on there. There's a lot of wrecked cars and things. This happens to be
And things.
a lot of cool things. This happened to be a donated vehicle, so it's a little bit perhaps nicer than some of the stuff that we did see on there.
Yes.
We've never bought anything on this site before, so we're going to check this out.
Yeah.
Oh well, we already bought it, so we sight unseen,
better
bought a
like it.
camper, and well, the pictures look really good.
Yep.
You know, hopefully we're right. We're taking a little bit of a gamble, but that's kind of the fun of it. Let's see what happens here.
We were excited.
Yeah, we got a deal on this thing, so as long as this deal turns out to be a deal,
Yeah, I'm sure.
we'll see.
I'm sure.
You can't smell pictures, so that's the only thing that has to be kind of
Yeah,
worried.
we're a little nervous,
You never know.
but excited.
Yes.
Woo! So we'll check it out.
Yeah, let's check this thing
Stay
out.
tuned.
Got the camper. We're going back to pick it up now. They're taking us in, which is exciting. Still sight unseen. We have no idea what we bought.
It's so
Hopefully it's still
exciting.
good.
It's so exciting.
I don't want to interfere with this guy.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, that one. Ooh, that's a bad accident. Okay, I see a row of campers back here.
So we have the camper all hooked up.
Yeah. Oh man, I think we definitely scored on this one. Look at all these burnt cars,
We
wrecked cars.
peeked inside of it, and it is beautiful.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like
No,
any more than just a
it
camper.
doesn't,
There's a little
yeah.
air to it, and oh, we got a heck of a deal. Boy, that's the truck to buy. That truck from here.
Keep, honey,
Ooh.
honey, focus,
Yeah, good luck.
focus.
I'm not gonna focus on anything in a place like this. Okay, we made it back. We're all excited to check it out. So yeah, we have the bus. That's different. But now we have the camper for the land, which just kind of works.
Let's get in there.
So how does this work here, huh? What do you do
I
here?
don't know.
What the heck?
Dad, it's the
Release the pin. Hold
Oh.
on, pin. And lift this up. Now pull something out maybe? Or
Mom, you pick.
it's hard to do with one hand. Okay. Oh, it's got a key code on there.
Go ahead, Dad.
I found keys. I found keys.
All right, ooh, they have those kind of locks, huh? Look at that, fancy, all right.
Dad, I'll keep these just in case there's a locked door.
Hold on, Dad. I need help.
Okay, we have
It
to,
doesn't smell that bad.
no, it really doesn't. We need to get some power, some lights in here.
Dad, this is the bathroom.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah.
And it's clean. We haven't seen pictures of this, so
But Dad,
we were all curious.
Dad,
Look at that, that's awesome.
Dad, this has the same toilet.
Yeah, it does. Mom, wait till you see this part. Look
Oh.
at this, a laundry bin.
No way.
That's Mom's favorite part.
Oh my gosh.
Right, so,
Mom, what's it?
hey, look, we can write our dates on the back of this
We
one.
can be.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, wow.
Man.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Wow. Look at this.
I tell you, we scored in this one.
Oh my god. We
Guys,
got this
look.
for nothing.
Yeah.
Guys, look.
Baking soda. Hey, look at that. It came with baking soda.
It came with baking soda.
Yes.
They cared that much to keep it smelling it. Boy, this is smaller looking than it looked in the pictures.
know.
It was this big, bulky looking
Welcome
thing.
to our
But
campsite, good friends. Look. Look. Who came in it?
perfect.
What?
All right, so what's the back look like? What do you have back here?
This is my room.
Okay, we do have one little soft spot in the floor here. You know, that's to be expected sooner or later in these things. It's, you know, not brand new.
Guys, this is gonna be my bed.
But I don't see any roof leaks, so that's...
Oh,
That is
this
nice.
is the most comfiest bed
Look
ever.
at
Yeah.
look
Hey, Dad.
at your
Dad.
room, buddy.
Hey, Dad. Lay down on this one.
Wow.
Dad, lay
There's
down
room
on
for clothes.
Wow, that's not a very thick mattress.
That is so.
I'm a little. I'm okay. It's a 6-foot bed. I can tell because my head and my feet are hitting. So.
That is so comfortable.
But it works.
Mom, lay down on here. It's so
Yeah?
comfortable.
Oh, wow. Your bedroom's cool, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You happy?
It still feels like we're in our camper.
Oh, my God.
Another bed up top. Man.
So cool, baby.
Mom, it feels exactly
Wow.
like
This
all
is
the-
amazing.
Yeah, even has a
This is amazing.
For what we paid for this thing, man, oh my God, did we get a deal and a half.
Wow.
Wow.
So I'll have to put the bump out.
Mom, I need to clip on here.
Hey, cool, there's the lock pin I was looking for.
So you like your room? This is incredible. Oh, Brian.
Yeah, we nailed it with a good deal on this one.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we'll make sure that doesn't slide on the ceiling there.
Awesome. The fridge is clean.
Mom, this
Yes.
is gonna be my room.
That's what I thought.
This is
I thought so too.
What about this bed? This isn't going to be your bunk?
that's gonna be your bunk, Dad.
And then you have another one there.
Dad, hey Mom,
Wow. Yeah.
you
I
can
didn't even
sleep.
look at this.
Hey Mom,
Yeah.
you can sleep down there.
Easily
Yeah.
adjustable.
Sleep down there.
Can you sleep up there?
Yeah, and that's where my friend is.
Your
gonna
friend will
sleep.
sleep.
Everything is nice wood. It's not cheap particle board.
Yeah. Oh, look, 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 look. Oh, I need that smile. Give me that big smile again.
Wow, what a
kid.
deal. Could be.
I didn't get to walk in the bathroom.
Dad, I want.
Hey, a shoe storage. You're going to love this. Oh, every little bit of it.
Hold on, I'm coming. Let me see.
I want to put the shoes. I want.
Yes.
Over here on the side.
Yes, I saw the.
See? Oh, look, you got to test it out already. Perfect. Now you're not making a mess in here.
Perfect. Oh my God, Brian!
Another one?
I'm so happy.
Oh, look, she's happy.
I'm so happy.
Guys,
I
look.
hate
We didn't even
shoes.
put the bump out
I
yet.
hate shoes laying around. Look, we have colorful lights.
So here
All
it
right.
is. Outdoor kitchen. Looks like we may need to get some those things. Yeah, hang on a second. I'll check
Guys,
those out. More baking soda, huh?
Mom, there's even more baking soda.
Look, we
Yes,
have a
buddy.
storage bin back here for other mystery stuff that nobody. Whoa! It came with this, an extension for the propane that we can hook here to have a grill out here.
Yes, guys,
This thing
look.
does it.
Look, that's a handle.
Yeah. A little sink.
Hey, Dad, I think this is.
It would go there to be able to have a dish rag or something on there. Look at that niftiness. I like it. Cool, man. Look, it had a whole bunch of stickers all over it.
Guys, look.
Magnets,
Yeah. Huh?
This is so.
Maybe.
right?
I don't know.
Probably.
Wow.
Guys, let's check out the roof.
Okay. I got this.
Okay. What do you think?
It's so good up here. It's good up on the roof.
Good on the roof. Oh, wait, hold, man. Are you sure it's good on the roof? Oh, it is good on the roof.
Okay, good. Do you want to take the
All
phone?
right, Mr. Inspector, come on down.